hasn't
This is the
opened it.
one.
Oh, she's opening it. Which one?
That's the girl from Firefly.
That little girl?
Huh?
The little girl?
From
Dad,
Firefly.
can you open this?
That
No
one that's
peeking.
getting- the one
Can you
that's
open
getting
this
drowned.
and no peeking? No peeking. No peeking. Oh.
Ooh. Cool. What's his name? Might say on the back of the bag.
Scary Teddy.
Cool.
Oh my gosh, you could also get 0.
Oh my gosh. I don't really know who Scary Teddy is.
Scary Teddy is just a scary
This is
teddy.
Scary Teddy.
Oh, he's just a scared teddy bear?
Mhm.
Oh my goodness.
He's a live scary teddy bear.
Oh no, what did you do?
I'm gonna put it on Mommy's keys.
Really?
I can put it on your keys?
I don't have any keys.
You should have keys. We should get you some keys.
I'm not even old enough to even have a car.
But you should have keys for the house probably soon.
Where's she gonna be going by herself that she needs keys to the house?
So she feels cool. With no keys.
You usually need keys if you like